Dollar Tree decorations, mindful wall hanging crafts, and with pine cones and affordable items. Let's talk about this. In this video, we are sharing some amazing this type of ideas. Welcome to today's creative journey. In this video, we will explore how you can transform simple, affordable Dollar Tree items into beautiful home decorations, including wall hangings, pine cones, crafts, and more. These crafts are not only budget friendly but also deeply relaxing and mindful activities that brings peace, creativity, joy to your home. Dollar Tree is full of hidden treasures, from jute ropes and mason jars to wooden frames, ribbons, and pine cones. You don't need expensive supplies to create beauty. All you need is imagination, a few tools, and your creative energy. Crafting with affordable items helps reduce waste, encourages mindfulness, and brings in the family together for peaceful moments of creations. Let's begin with a small hanging decoration. Start with a simple wooden frame or cardboard base from Dollar Tree. Wrap it with burlap, jute, or fabric scraps to give it a rustic look. Add a few artificial flowers, pine cones, and twinkle lights for warmth. For a modern look, you can also use mirrors, small beads, or silver ribbon. Each piece you make becomes a story, a memory, something that reflects your heart. As your work, notice the texture, the sounds of scissors, rustles, the soft rustles of ribbons. That mindfulness being fully present in the creative moment. Pine cones are magical. You can paint them white for a snowy winter effect, gold for a festive shine, or pastel for a spring touch. Glue them onto wreath, candle holders, or mason jars for an instant charm. Combine them with cinnamon sticks or dried oranges slices for a natural scent that calms your mind. As you hold each pine cone, take a deep breath, notice its shape and pattern. Nature's artwork. Crafting this way helps reduce stress and increases mindfulness, a simple, healthy way to relax after a busy day. One of the best things about Dollar Tree is affordability. Dollar Tree affordable finds. For just a few dollars, you can collect materials for multiple crafts. Here are a few ideas. Dollar Tree glass bottles or jars can become elegant vases with just a ribbon and add a pine cone accents. LED candles and mini fairy lights add cozy vibes to any corner. Rope baskets, small mirrors, or wooden tree. Affordable art decor and peaceful living. So, wooden tray can be easily transformed into wall art. Every time you reuse or redesign something old, you are also helping the planet. That's sustainable art. Now let's talk about crafting as mindful therapy. Beyond beauty, crafting has a healing side. It slows down your thoughts, improves focus, and brings a sense of calm. When you are painting, gluing, or arranging decorations, your mind gets a rest from daily worries. It's like meditation with your hands. You can also involve your family or kids in the process. Let them pick colors and glue pine cones. It becomes a bonding and learning time. It teaches patience, gratitude, and the joy of creating something from simple things. As you finish your Dollar Tree decoration, take a moment to appreciate what you have made. From wall hanging to pine cone accent, you have created with art with love, care, and mindfulness. Remember, it's not just about decoration, it's about how you feel while making. it you have added warmth to your home and calm to your soul. Thank you for joining this creative journey. If you enjoyed today's mindful crafting session, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more ideas and more affordable ideas on affordable art, decor, and peaceful living. Until next time, keep creating something new, keep smiling, and stay inspired. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Thank you for supporting us. We have shared many beautiful ideas, so share your thoughts in the comment section. God bless you all. If you want to watch more designs like this and more ideas like this, so you can follow our channel and write your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching.